$4,000 a month from things you're already good at. You've helped people get in shape, organize their homes, negotiate a raise, plan their meals. You know stuff. You just don't know how to turn it into income. These 2 AI prompts fix that. Copy and paste. You don't need more expertise. What you need to do is sell that expertise as online coaching. One-on-one help, you on a Zoom call helping someone get a result. It couldn't be easier. And once you have that set up, you know what content to make to get yourself noticed. You know who you're talking to, and you have something concrete to offer when people ask how they can work with you. That's what these 2 AI prompts help you build. Okay, the first prompt. This one takes what you already know and turns it into a step-by-step method you can teach. Here it is, copy and paste. I have expertise in, you're gonna add your topic. I've helped people achieve, and you're gonna add your result. Please help me extract my teaching method by asking me 10 specific questions about the exact steps I take people through, the common mistakes I help them avoid, the mindset shifts that make the difference, the timeline from start to result. After I answer, organize my responses into a clear step-by-step system I could teach to others. As my own expertise for this example, I'm going to use that I teach marketers how to use AI tools. And my result is I help them save hours of work each week and create better content. So watch what happens. ChatGPT becomes my interviewer. It organizes what I already know into something I can teach and charge for. So please pause the video and run this prompt right now. You can grab it in the description below. I'll wait. And by the way, I'm Jillian Leslie, co-founder of MiloTree. We help people sell digital products and coaching without complicated tech or crazy monthly fees. I have seen thousands do exactly what I'm showing you. Okay, look at your results. So you've got your method. Now, let's turn it into an actual product to sell. And how much can you charge for a 1-hour coaching call on Zoom? I've seen everything from $97 to $197, $297, even more. Here's how to think about pricing. What is the result worth to them? If you help someone land a job, that's worth thousands. If you help them lose 20 pounds, that's worth hundreds. If you help them finally get organized and stop feeling overwhelmed, that's worth a lot too. So you're not charging for your time, you're charging for the result. And I want you to think about it that way. Now, you gotta start somewhere. $97 is a great starting point and you can adjust afterwards. But first, a gut check. People buy for 6 specific reasons. I call these my 6 purchasing triggers. Can you help someone make money, save time, move toward happiness, move away from pain, or raise their social status? Your coaching needs to hit at least one of these. So here's the second prompt to create your offer. Based on my method 4, you're gonna add your topic. So mine is helping marketers up their AI skills. Help me create a coaching offer. Make sure it hits at least one of these 6 buying triggers, and I mention all of them. Give me what the coaching includes, who it's for, which triggers it hits, a suggested price point based on the value of the result, not my time, and a 1-line sales pitch I can use in my content marketing. And now watch. Now I've got my coaching offer and I know how to talk about it. Now you just need an easy way to sell this. And this is where MiloTree shines. You can have your coaching package with a sales page live and ready to sell in about 15 minutes. Simpler and cheaper than all other platforms out there. And yes, I recommend you also have an online calendar. That's Calendly or Acuity. And these both integrate seamlessly with MiloTree. So after someone buys, they see your calendar and book their time right on the thank you page. And finally, you do need a way to get paid. And in your MiloTree dashboard, we connect with Stripe. So if you don't have a Stripe account yet, you can set it up right there. And then the money goes straight into your bank account. That's it. You just need Calendly, Stripe, MiloTree, you're in business. So let me show you how easy this is to set up. I'm currently in my MiloTree dashboard. I click this button, coaching. But notice I can sell all types of digital products with MiloTree. I give my coaching a name, a price, a short description, and here on this page is where I connect my Calendly or Acuity account and choose what calendar to show. Now, I click this button that says create your sales page, and our AI writes your sales page. I tweak the page to my liking, and I'm good to go. Now, here's how you sell your coaching. You get a simple link in your MiloTree dashboard to your sales page. It's right here. You're gonna share this link everywhere, in emails, in blog posts, on social media, in Facebook groups. You're gonna DM it to people. And when you create content to build your audience, you know what you're pointing people to, your offer, your sales page. Here's the thing. The more you show up online, the more you talk about your expertise and share your sales page link, the more clients you attract. And here's why I love MiloTree for this, because the secret is that selling online is all about testing. You try something, put it out there, you see if people buy, and then you adjust. And MiloTree lets you test product ideas fast. So for $19 a month, you can sell unlimited digital products. No other platform is that inexpensive or easy to use. And once you're up and running with coaching, you can sell other things too, like digital downloads, memberships, workshops, whatever makes sense. And this is how you build out an entire digital product business. But that's the next step. Today, get your coaching offer live. So let's recap what you just built. With AI Prompt 1, your teaching method. With AI Prompt 2, your coaching offer with a price built around a real reason people buy. And 3, a way to sell it. MiloTree, Calendly, or Acuity, and Stripe. Ready to book calls? That's a $3,000 a month coaching business waiting to happen. Here's your next step. Grab the 2 AI prompts. The link is in the description. Then go to milotree.com. The link is also in the description, and sign up for our Grow Plan at $19 a month and set up your first coaching offer. You'll be ready to book calls today. Because that thing you're good at, someone out there needs your help and they're ready to pay. You just have to make it easy. But what if you have no audience yet? Well, in the next video, I show you how to start with impulse buys. $7, $17, $27 products people grab without overthinking. That's your door opener. I'll see you in the next one.